In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning pop art effects in GIMP, perfect for beginners wanting to explore the vibrant world of digital art. Pop art is all about bold colors, repetitive patterns, and a sense of fun and creativity, and GIMP is an excellent tool to help you achieve that iconic look without needing expensive software. To start, you'll want to open your desired portrait photo in GIMP. Choose an image that will work well with bold colors and clear details. Portraits often offer the perfect features to highlight in pop art style. Once your image is loaded, you'll see it in your GIMP workspace, ready for transformation. Next, let's proceed by duplicating the image and dividing it into 4 quadrants. Doing this will help recreate that classic pop art collage feel, reminiscent of the works of artists like Andy Warhol. You can easily do this by selecting your image layer, duplicating it 3 times, and then rearranging each layer in order to fill up 4 separate quadrants on your canvas. Make sure each image fits neatly within its own section, allowing enough space between them to give a balanced look. The next step involves bringing out those vivid colors that characterize pop art. Navigate to the Colors menu and select Posterize. This function will help you adjust the colors in your image to bold hues that really stand out, giving your image that distinct pop art effect. Experiment with the levels until you achieve a look that pops with contrast and vividness. But remember, the aim is to simplify the color palette significantly, so don't be afraid to be bold. Once you have posterized your image, it's time to play with hues. You will assign a different color emphasis to each of the 4 quadrants. This will add a new dimension to your artwork, enhancing that pop art feel. To do this, select each quadrant layer individually, then go back to the Colors menu and choose Hue Saturation. Slide through the hue options for each quadrant to adjust the color tones. Make sure each section of the collage has a distinct hue variation. The stark difference between these hues is what gives pop art its signature look, so don't hold back on contrast. And there you have it, a pop art creation using GIMP that reflects classic artistic styles with a modern digital twist. You've now transformed a basic portrait into an eye-catching, colorful masterpiece. This technique is ideal for adding a fun and artistic flair to your designs, making them perfect for posters, prints, or just as a creative hobby. Hopefully, this tutorial helps you get a strong start in making your own iconic pop art pieces using GIMP. Happy creating!